What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here with the 350Z. We're about to go on a drive. The sun is on its way down right now, so I thought I would come out here, cruise around for a little bit before it gets dark. And yeah, it is extremely bright in this position we are sitting in, so I'm gonna drop this for just a little bit. This is actually right where we filmed the Halloween special. If you guys haven't seen that, there's a little Halloween video I did for Halloween just a few days ago, and I think it turned out pretty good. We put the Halloween costume on the car. It's a ghost. It was pretty awesome. But anyways, we're gonna cruise around for a little bit before it gets dark tonight because it is a little cooler out today than it has been. So as you guys saw from the title of this video, basically what I'm gonna be talking about today is the gas mileage in the 350Z, because I get a whole bunch of questions of people asking how much it costs to fill a tank in a 350Z, or just how long a tank lasts in general when you do fill it. So in today's video, we're actually gonna go get gas right now. And it's extremely bright out here. I can't see anything. So it is insanely bright right now. Like, I cannot see anything, and I left my sunglasses at home, so I'm just completely blind. So I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds at the gas station. All right guys, so I have about a quarter tank of fuel left. We're gonna see how much it's gonna cost to completely fill this tank, so let's check it out. All right, let's see how much it costs. So premium right now is $4.90 a gallon, which is kind of a lot. And that's actually with my 5-cent discount. I highly recommend if you guys go to Shell to get the, I think it's called the Gold Club or something like that, where you save 5 cents a gallon every time you go to Shell, which is pretty awesome. You know, save a little bit of money every now and then, or anywhere you can when driving these like sports car type vehicles. But we're up to $33, and it's only 7 gallons so far, you guys. So we'll see. I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna take a guess right now. 65, 70 bucks to fill the rest of this tank. Hopefully not. Boom, 50 bucks. We just hit $50. Dang. Boom, it stopped. $59, you guys. 12 gallons exactly. All right, check it out. 59 bucks to get it the rest of the way full. I mean, I guess that makes sense. We're gonna find out. That's pretty broken, honestly. Pretty jank. All right, guys, let's check this out. Let's see how full of a tank we actually got here. And 100% full. You're probably like wondering why I'm curious about that. I've seen in different forums and stuff that sometimes the 350Z won't let you fill past 3/4 of a tank. I've never actually had that issue. You know, fingers crossed we don't ever have that issue, but all right, you guys, let's go for a little cruise now that the tank is full. Burn some of this weight, because honestly, full tanks just mean a heavier vehicle. You know, am I wrong? Am I wrong? So we're gonna cruise around for a little bit. Probably gonna hit, honestly, it's like 5 o'clock traffic right now, so I'm gonna try and get out of town, I think. So far, I haven't actually had anyone ask me about the GoPro, but I was thinking if anyone does ask, I'm just gonna say I always wear it when I'm driving, and it's a dash cam basically, only instead of it being for a dash, it's for your head. Way better with the sun on that side of us. I can actually see stuff. So if you guys have been wondering, I've actually gotten a few questions on it. I have these 2 little lights on over here in my gauge cluster, and people have been asking me what lights these are. So this bottom one is actually for my tire air pressure. So my TPMS, which is your tire pressure monitoring system, my TPMS sensors are actually pretty much shot on all 4 corners, except I believe my passenger side front tire. As you can see, it's reading right here, but the front passenger side, I'm pretty sure, is the bottom right there. I'm assuming F is for front and then R is for rear. They basically told me at Les Schwab that it was gonna be like $50 a tire to get it fixed, and they said it doesn't affect drivability or anything. It's really just a warning sensor to let you know if your tires are low. I'm definitely gonna get it fixed soon. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. And then the top one is actually, it is my windshield wiper fluid level is actually completely low because the windshield wiper fluid container is pretty much busted. So I need to either get some Flex Seal and fix that or buy a new one. I did see an OEM windshield wiper fluid container was pretty much $250 brand new. It's pretty cool that they still make brand new parts for this car, just in general, so it might be worth it, but I feel like I could probably fix it with some Flex Seal or something. So all right, so we made it past everyone. Go for a little bit of a cruise. Go this way. What's hilarious, the craziest thing about this is since we filled the tank, I can honestly feel the difference in weight when accelerating in this thing right now, which is kind of cool. People always ask me why I have a quarter tank in my car, and it's for the acceleration, you guys. So we filled the tank at the gas station just now. I didn't actually look at the trip meter right here when we left, but I'm gonna look at the video and I'm gonna write it down, and I'm gonna get an exact number for you guys over the next week or two on how long this full tank lasts me. I'm assuming it's gonna last probably, oh man, that's a tough one, a week and a half, hopefully. You know, I drive pretty often and I do a lot of city driving, so it's stop and go and accelerating and not accelerating. So I'm constantly burning gas, probably more than you would on the freeway. So it's gonna be interesting to see how long it takes to burn this. Gosh, every little bump in the road we scrape, you guys. You see that? Amazing. So yeah, like I wonder how many of those accelerations I get out of a full tank. I don't know, probably like, I'm gonna say like 100 of those. 100 solid, just full throttle accelerations I'm gonna say we get out of a full tank. You know, it's hard to know though. But we're gonna watch it over the next few days and, you know, really get an idea of how long a full tank lasts, because, oh God, no. Sorry, I don't want anyone in front of us. Yay. Thanks. I'm gonna roll these up for a little bit. So like I was saying, I'm gonna guess like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks on this full tank. We will see. Is this a police officer? All right, it was a police officer. It's not that I'm doing anything illegal. Go this way. You know, they always wonder why you're wearing a GoPro, you know? They always look at you like, what could you be doing? Man, this car is something else, you guys. I am excited to see how many miles we do get off of a full tank. I've had so many people ask me, like, what is the usability and efficiency of a 350Z? And like, being able to fill the tank and get a pretty solid distance out of it is definitely something that's gonna be really useful. So, man, I cannot see anything. One thing I can do is I can check. It does give you like a distance till empty, or an estimated. It's telling me 235 miles off of a full tank, you guys. That is actually pretty low, considering a lot of cars nowadays you can expect 350 to 400 miles on a full tank. So this is a V6, 3.5 liters in all of its naturally aspirated glory. So you're gonna burn gas, you're gonna burn oil. Those are just the things that come with a rear-wheel drive race car or sports car like this. And honestly, for the experience you get of driving this car around and just the smile on your face with every acceleration, you really can't beat the value for the money, honestly. And a lot of people, I've read a lot of comments about the difference between regular and premium, and if you guys do the math, saying the difference between regular and premium is usually like 30 cents. So whether you put 10 gallons of fuel in your car for $4.60 or 10 gallons of fuel in your car for $4.90, I mean, that 10 gallons is only $3 difference. So it's not an insane amount, you guys. It sounds like a lot, but it's only 30 cents a gallon. And you know, it's not like we're talking 100 gallons here. It's 10 gallons. So it's deceiving. It seems like you're gonna pay like so much more for fuel, but reality, I can't see. But seriously, reality is like, it's not that much different, and it's gonna be worth it. You know, the extra power. One sec, ready? Oh yeah, a little sandy right there. And bumpy. But like I said, the extra power is gonna be worth it. You're gonna feel it. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but seriously, I mean, we're talking a hair. Literally watch the gas level drop just a hair, you guys. Like, imagine a real piece of hair that much, but it has gone down a little bit. So, you know, the car definitely uses fuel when you're flooring it, and a lot more than when you're just cruising around. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I have no idea how long this is gonna be, but I'll cut out all the boring parts for you. I'm gonna head back and get some food. and maybe drive the Miata around a little bit. If you guys are interested in these POV videos and want to see one in the Miata, I would absolutely love to film one in the Miata. I'm just not sure if you guys are interested in the Miata at all. So let me know down below. If you guys want to see more Miata content, I'm happy to like intertwine the videos or do a comparison. Definitely in the future, we're going to be doing a 350Z versus Miata, like head-to-head comparison. Everything you can imagine, from daily ability to fuel economy, storage space, everything you could think of is going to be in these videos, and it's going to be like a little series I'm going to do. So definitely hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't yet. That sounded pretty good. Drop a comment if there's any types of videos you want to see in the future that we haven't made yet. I love flooring it, but the suspension makes it impossible almost. Like, we seriously get air, you guys, like leaving the ground status. Anyways, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button if you guys haven't yet and you enjoy these types of videos. I really enjoy making them and just cruising around and just literally shooting the breeze. So let me know down below if you guys enjoy these videos, and I'll keep making them. And thank you guys so much for 5,800 subscribers. I can't believe we're gonna hit 6K soon, and it's just blowing my mind every single day. So thank you so much. It seriously gives me purpose when I wake up in the morning, and I just really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.